Hi everybody.
Hi.
Welcome back to another episode of
FilAmstagram. Greetings from lovely Panglao in Bohol.
Very, very beautiful island. So happy to be here.
So we're here for 5 days. Not only in Panglao but in several other places. So we're as usual resort hopping. So today we are here at Alona Beach, which is the most popular place for tourists here. Right now, there's a lot of tourists at the beach. Where we're actually housed is actually more secluded. We have a private beach to ourselves over there, but this is where the tourists usually go. There's a lot of things to keep yourself occupied over here. And there are going to be other activities that we're going to show you around tomorrow.
Yes.
For our island hopping trip, and see you then.
Okay. Where are you trying to dig to, Miriam?
What a relaxing day. Can you imagine? Our tickets were almost free to get here because we would have had to pay 3 more months for Miriam's being over her tourist visa, which carries with it a fine because the US Embassy in Manila is so backed up with passport renewals that it would take 3 more months to get an appointment. But here in these islands, in Cebu, we were able to get an appointment in just 1 month. So the money we saved just from that got us here. But if you're an adventure seeker and you're already here in the Philippines, you're a native, or just happen to be here in the Philippines like me, you can actually book way ahead in advance and get down here from Manila for just $18 to $25 one way. Imagine that. So we decided to turn it into a mini vacation because look at this, it's a wonderful place. We've had so many good experiences already just in a couple of days.
Miriam, you happy? What do you have there?
What is that?
Seaweed. That's the seaweed that they use for making gulaman, the jelly.
Hi Miriam. Hi. Did you just swim? Are you learning how to swim? Yeah, that was a good job.
So it's our first day here on Panglao, and we've got an AirBnB that has a private beach, but they already told us it wasn't really for swimming, just kind of like kids can splash around in it. But this might be one of Miriam's favorite experiences. It's a shell and coral beach. This is the very thing that Miriam loves to do the most.
What do you think?
Yeah.
It's pretty.
Yeah, I mean look, just everywhere you go, I mean, it's just look at that. That's almost the size of my hand. That's bigger than a tarsier. Perfect ashtray, but no one smokes anymore, but if they did. And then there's perfectly bleached white ones.
Yeah, how about
Look at that
these?
sea urchin.
The sea urchin skeleton.
Wow.
And an intricate one.
How come that's what a sea urchin
They might think that's a weapon on the plane. What do you think?
Could be a little baby knuckle thing.
Wow, another catch. Too bad we're on an airplane and we can't bring all this stuff home, but
Perfect island knuckle. Gangster here. Get into a fight.
Okay. What did you find?
A hermit crab. Oh.
Oh, there it goes. Did you get scared?
No.
Oh, did you find something, babe?
Yeah, I think it's a party hat.
Oh, wow.
A party hat on a hat.
Look how beautiful.
secluded place, which is good, but we're very hungry right now, so that's bad.
We didn't have enough space to put the usual groceries that we usually pack when we're on a long trip. On a long trip, not a wrong trip. When on a long trip, we usually bring our own stuff to cook, which would have been perfect because this kitchen is well equipped, but we have nothing.
It's a beautiful place. We have 2 hard-boiled eggs.
Yes. And coffee.
And coffee.
Oh, yes.
So, what's that? Tiny toothpaste.
A toothbrush.
Toothbrush.
How come you don't have small?
And what's that? Oh,
Shampoo.
shampoo.
I think
Shampoo.
all of these.
Yeah, they all have the same thing. And we're here outside our unit, and Miriam is busy with her artwork for today. As you may know, she draws a lot, like every day, and even on vacation.
There's my beautiful daughter doing something she loves doing the most. Making art, making drawings. She doesn't let us watch her anymore. She always likes to keep it a secret. She'll show us later. She'll wrap it up in a gift. She'll put wrapping paper, quote unquote, wrapping paper around it, which she also draws something on. And we love it. So, can't wait to see what this one's gonna be. We love you, Miriam.
We attended the 5 p.m. Mass in English at St. Augustine Church. The Panglao watchtower looks out over the sea. We made it to the dock just right after sunset. But you can still tell how beautiful the sunsets are from this side of the island. Do not miss our next episode!